What does that progression look? So we all have cancer cells of, in our bodies. Is it our lifestyle choices are what kind of allows it to become a problem versus not a problem? Or is it luck of the draw? Like what happens there?
There's a lot of different factors. So it's one of those things where, yes, so like our diets do have a factor or play a role in whether or not those cells go from, precancerous to cancerous cells. So, just depending on your lifestyle, are you sedentary? Do you smoke? What environmental toxins were you exposed to? Do you have a genetic predisposition? And then, sometimes it's just like, I don't know how you got this. And I think that's also extremely unsettling for a lot of patients, because I'll tell you, and it sucks, but a large majority of my patients will tell me, I ate healthy my whole life. I didn't drink. I didn't smoke. I exercised. I was a yoga teacher. I was a fitness instructor. All these different things, like doing everything right. And they still somehow ended up with cancer. And that's a hard pill to swallow. And so it's also hard to encourage people to continue with these lifestyle modifications. But it's more than just, like in that one moment, like, okay, I have cancer, so now I'm just like going to throw everything out the window. Well, no, because we want to make sure that we're still, taking care of the body, the vessel, so that way you're able to heal afterwards and then, hopefully never come back.